All right, here is the last problem on our segment and angle substitution proofs worksheet. So we know we need to start with the given stuff. Once again, if you haven't already watched my other videos, I apologize in advance for the handwriting. No matter how good of a stylus you get, doesn't necessarily help. All right. Second step, angle addition post, like we've done in all the other proofs. So we take the left angle, measure of angle RSU, plus the right angle, measure of angle UST, equals the measure of angle for the whole thing. Once again, if you have these two switched around, that is okay. All right, third step. So now we need to substitute in. So the big thing is here, substituting in for the right stuff. Seems like when people mess up, that's why. So RSU is this first one, so 3x minus 12. UST is the second one, so 4x plus 24, equals the last one. Okay, fourth step. I'm going to simplify. You wouldn't necessarily have to if you wanted to just subtract your x's over or add your numbers over, whatever you wanted to do, but simplifying seems to be the easiest thing. So 3x and 4x gives you 7x, negative 12 and 24 gives you a positive 12. Okay, fifth step. I'm going to subtract over my 5x first. You could have also subtracted over your 12 first. Either way, it is subtraction prop. Okay, next step. I'm going to subtract my 12 over. Like I said, you might have already done that. So, subtraction prop again. Remember, the only thing you can do one more at a time would be simplify. You cannot subtract two things at a time. And the last step here would be division to get our x. Okay, so that's the kind of stuff we did yesterday, just solving the algebra within the angle addition postulate proofs. So now here's the new step. Up here, it says that the measure of angle RST is 180 degrees. Down here, we only have what x equals. So we need to plug in, for this piece right here. Whatever's here is what you need to plug into. So if this would have said UST, you would have plugged into this one, but it doesn't. So you have to plug in to the RST. Okay, so for eighth step then, we're going to take the measure of angle RST, that's what we need to solve for, equals 5 times 24 plus 60, because that's what the RST part said, but with an x instead of the 24. So we're substituting in the substitution prop. And our last step would be to simplify.